Jose Gonzalez. I come from Monterrey. I came up to the border one bright and sunny day. I told the immigration man I go to USA. He looked at me and laughed, and this is what he say: no way, Jose, no way you go to USA. No way, Jose, if you don't got your papers, you don't go to USA. But I am very stubborn. I jumped the fence next day. I took a Greyhound bus and went to San Jose. I wind up washing dishes there for 50 cents a day. I told the man I want a raise. This is what he say: no way, Jose, no way you'll get a raise today. No way, Jose, if you don't got green card, you don't get no raise today. Señorita, her name was Sally Mae. I took her out to dinner and to see a show one day. But when I take her home that night, I ask if I can stay. She pushed me out the door, and this is what she say: no way, Jose, no way that you can stay. No way, Jose, but if you put ring on finger, then you can stay and play. Caramba, how I suffered until one lucky day I met a man named Bruce, and this is what he say: I give you plenty money and a place where you can stay. But then he tried to kiss me. I think that he was gay. No way, no way, I think I go back to Monterrey. From the land of the Huarache, he's the king of Mexico. Oh, he's the greatest in the world. He's the idol of the girls when he sings his rock and roll. Pues tú eres nada más que un perro llorón. Tú eres nada más que un perro llorón. Con tus pulgas que eres perro corrientón. You eat nothing but hot dogs with mustard all the time. You eat nothing but hot dogs with mustard all the time. You ain't never had a taco and you ain't no amigo of mine. Once he used to do the love song Cucurucucu Paloma. Now he don't do that no more. Now when he plays his guitarra, he don't sing Guadalajara. All he sings is rock and roll. If you wanna be my gal, come to Heartburn Hotel and bring tortilla chips and avocados as well. 'Cause I love guacamole, baby. I love guacamole. With a guacamole I would die. Yes, amigos, Elvis Perez, he receives 1,000,000 letters from his fans in Mexico. He's more famous than Pancho Villa, and his records sell like tortillas since he switched to rock and roll. Once he used to do the samba, he would sing and dance la bamba. Now he don't do that no more. Now he yells like an Apache. He don't talk like no mariachi. He says, man, far out, right on. You know I can't be found sleeping all alone. If it's just a time, please don't telephone. Well, don't be cruel. Don't wake me up until noon, 'cause I can't stand getting up before my siesta's over. Cross my heart. Yes, amigos, Elvis Perez. Now he's making lots of letters since he switched to rock and roll. And he's richer than Liberace, but he won't sing with a mariachi. All he sings is rock and roll.
Desde Texas a California, campesinos están luchando. Desde Texas a California, campesinos están luchando. Los rancheros a llore y llore, de la huelga ya están bien pambos. El picket sign, el picket sign, lo llevo por todo el día. Y el picket sign, el picket sign, conmigo toda la vida. Me dicen que soy muy necio, gritón y alborota pueblos. Me dicen que soy muy necio, gritón y alborota pueblos. Pero Juárez fue mi tío y Zapata fue mi suegro. El picket sign, el picket sign, lo llevo por todo el día. Y el picket sign, conmigo toda la vida.
Échale, compadre. Primero, que viva César Chávez.
Ya ando organizando la raza en todos los files. Ya ahora ando organizando la raza en todos los files. Pero muchos siguen comiendo tortillas con puros chiles. El picket sign, lo llevo por todo el día. Y el picket sign, conmigo toda la vida. Hay muchos que no comprenden, aunque uno les da consejos. Hay muchos que no comprenden, aunque uno les da consejos. La huelga es un bien para todos, pero unos se hacen pero muy tontos. El picket sign, lo llevo por todo el día. Y el picket sign, conmigo toda la vida. Y el picket sign, lo llevo por todo el día. Y el picket sign, conmigo toda la vida.
La Unión Campesina por la justicia sigue luchando. Su bandera roja con águila azteca en el viento volando. El espíritu de César Chávez siempre en el corazón vamos guardando. Que viva la causa, que viva la huelga y que viva César Chávez.